Hello, welcome to the CPS Inspires Update. I'm Craig Birnbach. Teachers, of course, are always looking for ways to inspire their students, but sometimes they get some outside help. For some second and third graders in the district's Excel program, that extra help came courtesy of the mayor of Vancouver and an empty plot of land. When you look across the street from Evergreen High School, you might see just a vacant lot.
Hi, my name is Montgomery Lloyd.
But these second and third graders,
my name is Avery.
They see possibilities.
There are not enough food trucks in Vancouver, Washington. By building a large food truck lot, it could solve the problem.
So my idea is a combined art and science center.
My food donation center and orchard will allow people to donate and receive food for free.
These students are part of Evergreen Public Schools' Excel program, and the Vacant Lot project challenged them to come up with an idea for how to use this vacant lot.
And kind of use it as a lens to look at their own community and see what they would want to change or what they think is missing or what they would like to improve.
Then they needed to record a video and pitch that idea.
I propose building a homeless shelter for all ages, genders, and races.
I propose building an animal shelter to help the animals in need.
I propose building a place where kids can have free internet and power.
The students also had to put together 3D designs, and boy, were they creative.
It was fun to see a lot of the details. Lots of unique furniture that was built, right? Using recycled materials. I think that's the best part too. It's all junk that's laying around the house.
This wasn't the first year that the Excel program has done this project, but this year students got a little something special as the teachers reached out to the mayor of the city of Vancouver, who got right back to them with an idea of her own.
And so I thought I would do something a little different in thanking you. I want to invest in you. In the next few days, you're going to be receiving a letter from me in the mail. And inside that letter, for each one of you, is a $5 bill. What I would like for you to do is to find a way to use that money to make a positive change in our community.
The mayor's message and $5 challenge did more than just honor the kids. It was recognition to the students that they can make a difference now and in the future.
And I think Anne was like another coach in their life saying, I'm here to cheer you on. You're doing the work and your teachers and I are here to say, we're proud of you and keep it up.
Thank you. Bye.
Full disclosure now, the actual vacant lot that the students use as the base of the project, it's got power lines on it, so it really can't be developed, but many of the ideas the students came up with will work in other locations. For Evergreen Public Schools, I'm Craig Birnbach.